Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler and today I have another unboxing for you. This is a unboxing of the White Mountain knives. Damn, that thing was not taped in there right. This is an unboxing from, from White Mountain Knives. I believe, right? Justin. Yep, Justin Maloney, or Justin Malone. Justin is right now my absolute freaking favorite retailer. White Mountain Knives just are so freaking good. Justin is so awesome. Yeah. Alright. There's something unique about what's in this package, because I don't remember what it is, but I think I do. I haven't bought any new knives recently, and this one kind of spoke to me, and I was torn between this, and I'm going to tell you another one I was torn with. I almost regret not getting this other one because it's so iconic, but you guys have seen so much of that other one that you probably haven't seen as much of this one. So this is something that I really think that you guys might enjoy, and it looked like something that probably needs a little bit more publicity than I've heard of anyways. I haven't heard it catch fire or anybody even mention it. I feel like a lot of the artisan cutlery stuff, you know, unless it's like a Dirk Pinkerton design, really doesn't catch with a lot of people. And I can't open this box. Maybe that's why. People can't get their knives out of the freaking box. There we go. So, what the freaking hell, first and foremost, artisan cutlery? This is awesome. This is what came in a freaking box. Awesome. Let's crack her open. What the? Is this? Why are you gonna put it? You didn't need to do that. This thing is cool. I mean, I appreciate it, but at the same time, like, how much more did I pay for that, you little son of a bitch? Alright, so, I'm not even gonna shoot. I think I'm gonna like it. Alright. Obviously, I picked... Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so we got a little card here. This is a frame lock. It is the model 1819G blade steel S35VN, blade hardness 58 to 60 HRC, ceramic ball bearings, and a handle material of titanium on this very nice artisan cutlery card. This thing is nowhere near as small as I anticipated. She's a biggin'. I don't know what it is with... Wow! Hold on. Hold on. Yes, please. That's cool. She's a biggin'. She feels great. I like her. Her name is Sally. Sally works with me. And we're not allowed to talk because we got in trouble for talking before. I'm not allowed to talk. Well, technically, we're on break, so we're going to get to talk about this one. You guys are like, what the fuck are you talking about? So this is the artisan cutlery with so cool of an emblem in the blade. What? You guys don't give a damn. You're going to be like, why are you geeking out over that? I don't care. This is cool. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is cool. That didn't have the effect I was going for, by the way. I was like, oh yeah, let's do this. Holy smokes. Oh gosh, this is a pocket hog, but this thing, I'm just so freaking excited for. So first and foremost, I don't know why I had to grab that first. It's locked in there, but I can feel it. A little bit of wiggle, and it's tight. I definitely can wiggle it. It's not locked in perfectly. That's okay, because I haven't even touched the action yet. So blade centering is damn near perfectly... I'm looking over here. Let's look at it. It's damn near perfectly centered. It's hard to see. This lighting sucks. There you go. Oh my goodness, guys. Are we ready for this? I think I'm going to like this thing too damn much. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Oh, yes. The blade to handle ratio sucks! Ugh, getting obnoxious over here. The blade to handle ratio sucks. But yes. Yes, please. This is like an Isham design that isn't an Isham design. because it's like more straight lines instead of curved, but it still kind of wraps around your finger here. Although definitely not the flipper tab sticking out there to really protect your hand and give you a pretty damn good ergonomic experience. Although a little bit slippery, maybe. Very damn good ergonomic experience. Very good ergonomics right here. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this thing's cool, guys. So I believe this is the Artisan Cutlery Ravine. We got the serial number, the S35VN. I don't really even know who the designer is. I don't know if there is a designer. Like a specific designer, not just Artisan Cutlery. Oh my goodness, guys. This thing is so damn cool. So different. This is like... Don't worry, honey. I'm going to go chop down a tree. Alright. Just kidding. But it... Yes! Yes. Alright. Let's get you guys a size comparison just as a quick reference of what this thing is. Yeah. This thing, when you see it in here, right? You see it like this, and you're like, oh, okay, that's cool. Well, now that you know how big it... I can't unsee it. But you see it, I think they do it something like this. Or maybe they do it something like this. Right? They show you like the picture like this. Like that. To where, or maybe, hold on. There's a way that they show you it in picture where it's like, maybe it's like that, right? To where it does not look as big as it is, but holy crap is this thing cool. Oh my gosh, this is so different. So, the knife that I was going to get instead of this, and I'm kind of glad I got this. This is just different and badass. The knife that I was going to get instead of this is the Artisan Cutlery Proponent. I almost got my hands on one, and I'm like, you know what? Let's go a little bit bigger. Let's just see something that we've never seen before and talk about a work of art. This thing is so damn cool. I'm so excited that I kind of branched out and felt this. And Jesus. This thing is going to be super functional. This cleaver-ish, Warncliffe style-ish blade. Holy smokes, is this thing just... Guys, this thing's going to be a cardboard processor. Speaking of, do I have any? Do I have any cardboard? Okay, we are going to try something here. Guys, yeah. Oh yeah, this guy is beastly, and the blade stock's thick, and oh my gosh, you guys are gonna freaking love this thing. If you guys want some beefy proponent style stuff, this is kind of like reminds me of a beefier proponent. Now, it's not gonna be as, say, heavy as the cheaper proponent. I think the more expensive one's like 4 ounces lighter, but it's definitely gonna be more robust. Why? Because look at that freaking tip. Okay, let's find something small and dainty to compare it against. That's the Spyderco Capara. This thing is no joke. It's not gonna have a dainty tip. It has some pretty robust ergonomics, and it's just meant. It's not a slicer. This is a brute force son of a gun. And I can almost see you like you can almost do stuff with like food and stuff if you want to, but I'm super excited that I got this. This, I'm not going to say is going to stay in the collection forever because nothing ever does around here. But I'm going to love this guy pretty thoroughly. Probably the worst thing that I could have said just out of my mouth. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. This is the unboxing of the Artisan Cutlery Ravine. I don't even know if I said the name yet, guys. This is the Ravine. Is it? If it's not, I will change it. There's a Ravine and then there's something else, and I don't remember which one it was. But my name is Tyler. You guys stay sharp, stay safe. Have a great freaking day, guys. Thank you so much, and tell me what your thoughts are. Yeah, in the comments below, tell me what your thoughts are about this knife. Holy crap, is this thing crazy looking, right? Have a great day, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit the thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.